Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042, not launching, crashing, freezing, showing DirectX errors, black screen issues, or getting stuck on loading on PC. Whether the game refuses to start, crashes at launch, or freezes during gameplay, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get Battlefield 2042 running smoothly again. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Once you're there, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to check and install any available updates. This step is very important, because outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of crashes, freezes, and DirectX errors. Next, click on the search bar again, type Windows Update, and open Windows Update Settings. Click Check for Updates, and allow Windows to download and install everything available. Keeping Windows fully updated helps avoid compatibility problems and missing system files that can prevent Battlefield 2042 from launching properly. Now, locate Battlefield 2042 on your PC. Right-click the game shortcut and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab and check Run this program in Compatibility Mode. Try selecting Windows 7 or Windows 8 from the list. Also check Disable Fullscreen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. And try launching the game again. If the issue continues, right-click the Start menu and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary applications that you don't need when gaming. This frees up system resources and can stop background apps from interfering with Battlefield 2042. Next, download and install the Visual C Redistributable files. Install all versions, even if one fails, that's completely normal. Now, open the search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type SFC, Scan Now, and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish, then close the window and restart your PC. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Battlefield 2042 crashing, freezing, black screen, and DirectX errors on PC easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?